Not cold this weekend, but it will still be pretty breezy at times. There's some rain in the forecast, but a drier, brighter slot as well. I'll have the forecast.
Cool rain looking lovely in the light this morning.
Yes, the East Coast actually saw some sunshine, but plenty of people had a lot of cloud today. That was quite early, hence the silhouette. But despite the cloud and the wind, it was pretty mild today. Temperatures up to 13 degrees in places, and through the weekend the temperatures are going to be holding above average, but it will still be breezy, if not windy in places, and there is some rain in the forecast, especially into Sunday. So today, away from the east, well, you can see it, lots of cloud, bits and pieces of drizzly rain as well, being driven in by quite a brisk wind, particularly so towards the north coast, with gusts over 40 miles per hour here, so quite big waves. Now, the winds will ease a little for this evening and tonight. Nevertheless, it is still going to be quite breezy. Patchy drizzly rain moves away. A few scattered showers follow into the first part of the night, but even those should fade away. It will become dry with clear spells. Lows in the towns generally 7-8 degrees, maybe just a touch lower in one or two parts of the countryside. Now, tomorrow remains breezy, the better day of the weekend for us. It's mainly dry and it's a brighter day as well. Not so further south, because we have a weather front across the Republic of Ireland bringing cloud and spells of rain. Not quite as breezy here, and it will be mild. That rain will eventually slide away. For Northern Ireland, slightly cooler than today, temperatures around 9 or 10 degrees. That at least is still above average. Through tomorrow night into Sunday, that weather front starts to spread its way northwards. So we see milder air. It's a warm front tucking in behind that. The isobar is starting to pack in a little bit as well. So as we go into Sunday, it will be a little bit windier again, I think, especially in the north and the west. The turn of Northern Ireland to catch some rain, which could linger towards the north coast into the afternoon. Elsewhere, it is turning drier. A good deal of cloud, but there will be a few brighter glimpses, especially in sheltered eastern and southern areas, and the temperatures are up a couple of degrees, between 11 and maybe 13 degrees. Still quite mild, if not breezy, on Monday, but the rain moves away, so it should become a little bit drier.
Angie, thanks very much. Stormont will return tomorrow.
Hello, good evening. Despite the cloud and the breeze, today was fairly mild and temperatures are going to be staying above average as we go through the weekend. Still breezy or even windy at times. We do have some rain in the forecast, particularly as we go into Sunday. Now, there'll be one or two scattered showers around at first tonight, but they will be fading. Most places turning drier with clear spells. Temperatures generally 7-8 degrees, maybe just a little bit lower in parts of the countryside. Now, quite a breezy night, and it will remain breezy tomorrow, but it's the better day of the weekend. It's mainly dry and it is brighter as well. There'll be spells of sunshine. Temperatures, if anything, just a little bit down on what they were today, but 9 or 10 degrees is still above average. It becomes increasingly cloudy and windy as we head into Sunday. There'll be spells of rain which could be persistent at times, but it is a little bit milder.